Sabi Africa. No Africa. No Africans. Pioneering role in science, engineering, and technology.
Sabi African Network, illuminating Africa's narrative as pioneers in science, engineering, and technology.
Firebreaks and forest protection, indigenous wildfire strategies. For generations, fire has been profoundly misunderstood. Often seen as a purely destructive force, we overlook a millennia-old wisdom rooted in African soil. This is the story of the firekeeper's wisdom and how indigenous strategies are the key to protecting the continent's forests. Across the savannas and woodlands, indigenous African communities practice traditional ecological knowledge, or TAK. They do not fight fire, they partner with it. By viewing fire as a tool, not an enemy, they proactively manage the landscape to prevent disaster. The central strategy is the living mosaic. This involves deliberate small burns designed to create a patchwork of different vegetation ages. This intentional fragmentation is the ultimate fire defense, ensuring a single blaze can never rage uncontrollably across the land. This technique is called cool burning, and timing is everything. These protective fires are always set early in the dry season when the air is cooler, winds are calm, and humidity remains relatively high. This ensures the fire stays controllable and close to the ground. The fire's purpose is precision fuel reduction. It only consumes the fine, fast-burning materials, dry grass, and leaf litter. By surgically removing this dangerous ladder fuel, they stop small ground fires from climbing up into the tree canopy and becoming devastating. And this is the magic of the indigenous firebreak. The patch of land that just burned becomes completely unburnable for several years. When a hot late-season wildfire hits that area, it simply runs out of fuel and dies. The scorched earth is the forest's protector. This wisdom is exemplified by the Maasai in East Africa. They use small controlled fires and their grazing cattle to naturally fragment the fuel load. Their pastoral livelihood is integrated with fire management, making their rangelands resilient and ecologically healthy. Yet, this wisdom was tragically ignored. During colonial eras and afterwards, fire was often banned outright under suppression policies. This refusal to understand traditional practice fundamentally disrupted the delicate ecological balance built over centuries. The result, fuel loads were allowed to accumulate year after year. When lightning or accidental human activity finally sparked a fire, it encountered an unnatural fuel feast, leading directly to the catastrophic high-intensity mega-fires we see plaguing the continent today. The modern challenge demands ancient solutions. By recognizing and actively integrating African traditional knowledge, we can move beyond mere suppression. We can restore ecological balance, safeguard the continent's forests, and build true climate resilience for the future.